It's my great pleasure to welcome you guys to my channel. It's a graphics and multimedia, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to create this powerful lotus logo in corelDRAW step-by-step tutorial. But before I dive into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel, remember to hit on the subscribe. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how you create this lotus logo design. First step to take is to go to your toolbar right here and make sure you select your circle. So after you select your circle, you have to press down Ctrl key to draw a perfect circle. You can always come to the home tab right here to adjust your circle size. So right here you can type in 500 for the width and 500 for the height. Then press enter key on your keyboard. Next thing you need to do is to press P to centralize. So you need to make a duplicate of this. For you to do that, you just have to right click and press down Ctrl key, then you drag. From the very point here, you need to choose on copy here. Next thing you need to do is to come down below right here, click and hold down, and make sure you choose your smart fill tools. So when you choose your smart fill, you have to fill in the workspace. Then you have to drag out the logo shape. Next thing you need to do is to come down below here, click on here to remove fill. Next thing you need to do is to select the two circle, press the delete key on your keyboard. Then you have to fall back to the logo shape and press P to centralize. Next thing you need to do is to come to the toolbar right here. This time around you have to click and hold down and make sure you choose contour. So when you choose contour, you have to come to the contour property from the home tab right here. You have to select the logo shape. So when you select the logo shape, the contour property becomes active. Right now you need to make sure you choose outside and make sure you type in 20 here. You're going to have stuff like this. Next thing you need to do is to break apart. For you to do that, you have to come to the home tab here, click on objects, then you have to look for break contour apart, or you press Ctrl key on your keyboard. You are good to go. Next step to take is to please select everything and then come to the home tab right here. Make sure you click on group. Next thing you need to do is to double click on the shape. This allows you to have a rotation pane. Then drag the rotation pane to the bottom of the shape. Next thing you need to do is go to window. From window you have to go to Docker. Then from Docker you have to look for transform. From the point here, make sure you type in 45. Make sure your rotate is active. And then come here, make sure you type in 8 and click on apply. You're going to have stuff like this. Next thing you need to do is to select the three at the bottom, press shift key and select the second one, shift key and select the third one, and press delete key on your keyboard. So we will going to be left with this. So you can come back to your transform panel and close up. Next thing you want to do is to come down below right here, click and hold down and make sure you choose your interactive fill. You can begin to fill your shape.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? 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 They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on the shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread, with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
Once you're able to bring out the logo shape, next thing you need to do is to select everything and then come down right here and make sure you choose your color from the color palette here. So I'm going to use sky blue, using sky blue. So once you apply color to your logo, you can come to the home tab right here and click on group. Then lastly, you can come to the tools bar right here, make sure you select your type tools and then type your logo name. Then you can come to the home tab right here and make sure you make it bold. Then select your shape tools, drag from the font here. You can select the logo shape now and press shift key, press letter C on your keyboard. It's allow you to align to the vertical center. Then you can take the logo name at the bottom. The next thing you need to do is to make a duplicate of this. Press Ctrl D to make a duplicate. Go back to your type tools and press Ctrl A to highlight. Then you type in slogan. Next thing you need to do is to go back to your font size right here and you can make this 12 pixels and press enter key on your keyboard. Next thing you need to do is to remove the boldness and position it at the bottom of the logo. So you can select back your shape tools and drag it out a little bit. You can press shift key and select the logo name, then press letter C on your keyboard. This allows you to align. Press Ctrl J to group, then press shift key and select the logo shape and press C to align. Then press Ctrl J to group everything and P to centralize. You can also increase the size of the logo. This is depends on exactly what you are looking for. Then you can press P to fully centralize. So this is how you can create a Lotus logo step-by-step tutorial without any stress. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up and also remember to subscribe for more tutorial like this from this channel. Thank you guys for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.